Hey guys, today's video is about dragon boat race. So now I'm going to watch the race and yeah, I'm so excited. I can start hearing the drum banging. So yeah, I'm gonna cheer them up, guys. Not sure which team, but anyway. Welcome back to my channel, DDD Explorer. In the meantime, I am in Stanley main beach. So today, guys, we are going to watch a dragon boat race because today is Dragon Boat Festival. So as you can see behind me, so many teams here that are about to race. I'm so excited to watch. I'm not sure which team's gonna win this year, but yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, so another team is coming. I'm gonna show you who is coming.
And today's phase.
3, 2, 1, SeaGods!
Okay guys, so the last team will be coming soon, and just now SeaGods win, and then now upcoming next, hopefully SeaGods will win again. So yeah, we'll see.
Congratulations and good job, teams.
This is the final. So we are so excited to know which team will finally win this race. So now we still have a few teams coming. So yeah, we'll see which one. Okay, so for this last race, there are two SeaGods teams will be in the same race. How cool is that? I will say which one gonna win this race. And hopefully one of them will win this race. SeaGods! So apparently Morgan Stanley, so this team is winning for now. But yeah, they'll win another round, guys. Okay guys, so this is the last race. Very excited. We really want to know who will be the winner of this race. So yeah, I think they will start in any second, guys. So we'll see which team gonna win this race eventually. Okay guys, so eventually SeaGods win again. Congratulations to SeaGods. Finally they won the last race. So yeah, big congratulations to them. I'm sure they've been working really hard to win this race, and now it's the time for them to get some trophies. the end of the race. That was really cool. So finally SeaGods win the race. So that's them behind me. So congratulations to them and other people who win this race. So guys, if you haven't got any chance to watch this race, like in real life, remember to watch my video till the end. I put some of them on live, but if you don't get to see the live one, you can still watch the stream one and also this final video. I hope you enjoy watching my video, and if you do, please do me a favor, please subscribe down below and click the like button as always, and remember to share it with your friends. Okie dokie people, it's time for me to go. See you next time, bye bye!